The main advantage of these devices is that you can still display a lot of complex information, but without the need of any electronics. Electronics displays and systems can be hacked, right? Especially for security. So there's been a switch to transitioning to more analog physical encryption systems. In this project, we're trying to reproduce some of the display functions that you see in the skin of squids.
Squid, sometimes they flash their patterns to convey information to each other.
In their case, what they're using is they're like expanding and contracting their muscles and squishing these little sacs of pigment to show like more of a darker or a lighter color. In our case, we have adapted that concept by using these particles that have two sides, one that is light and one that is dark. By giving magnetic fields, we can control the rotation of these particles, right? And we can control which particles rotate and how they rotate.
So with a programmed magnetic field, we can store the magnetic information into our particle system. And with a just regular magnetic field, we can show that information.
So then we can really write and encode some complex information, like images, some dynamic messages, etc., into these flexible devices.
So this is not a conventional display, but a display plus a small computer.
Because this is all encased on a soft, flexible device. It's very portable, and it can be used on many different applications, right? For like wearable sensors, for like smart IDs. You can think of this as a smart barcode that can only display information after several layers of security. So we can program the message for this so that it will only react to one specific pattern that the person A holds, right? And if person B tries to read it, it will be nothing. It will be like a public encrypted message, and person C that has a different key can get a different personalized message. So this is more for protection of data in very low-cost application.
Later, we can expand this into more color range, maybe into RGB color channel, so that we can reveal more colors and more combinations of this encryption.
We're very excited about how this will change how we make display devices. We have opened a bunch of new properties and functions that they were not possible before, and it all comes from the design and engineering of these smart particles.